Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Instagram mainly here. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. So I'm about to finish doing my hair, and then I added a 2-minute clip of me trying to clean up my room because it was a hot mess, like a hot mess. So yeah, I have a clip of me cleaning my room. Other than that, this is really just gonna be a chill, you know, vloggy vlog. I'm going to show you guys some skincare stuff that I got. So as you guys can see, my skin is kind of glowing. I'm gonna be doing my makeup, so just a little bit of everything. Just me being at home today and trying to clean up, find some peace, self-care, really just some good self-care with like my hair, my skin, and keeping my room clean. So that's what this vlog is about. I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do something to this wig. So first thing I'm going to do is grab some scissors and just estimate. That was a terrible chop, but oh well. They're not even, but okay. And now I'm just going to comb through this. I really need to hot comb this out up top. Zoom in a little bit. All right, so now I'm gonna use this razor to kind of thin it out a little bit. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing with this thing, but I just know I just cut off a lot of hair. Okay, so focus. So that's kind of all I wanted to do to my hair, and I really like it. I really like it. So who wants to hear a story about how I finally was able to quit my 9 to 5? Like, let's talk about it. Let's chat, you know? Let us talk about the tea. Talk about it when I get started on my makeup because I gotta focus. All right. Hair done. Hair is done. Just lay my products right there. Okay, so first thing is first. If some of you guys may not know, I have been working at the Gap. I started off as a key holder, and then after a month of working there, I moved up to being the assistant manager. And you guys have heard me talk about how time consuming it is and how I'm like tired from work. Like I went to work, oh, I just spoiled it, but I just went to work this morning. Then I came home and took a nap because I was just so tired. So now I'm just not waking up and recording this video. Okay, so real tea is I wasn't just gonna quit my job and just be full-time self-employed. Like, I'm not ready to make that jump yet. I'm not ready to make that risk yet. I have plans that I'm trying to do and like goals I'm trying to accomplish, and honey, I need that security. Okay, period. So I got a call for an interview. I won't say what store, but I really like this store. So I got a call for an interview, and I went to the interview. Well, I went to work at Gap that morning, so I had to go in for a management meeting. Went there, left the meeting, went straight to the interview. The interview went really good. She pulled me back after the meeting. After the interview, and told me how she wanted to hire me. So that was that, and then I came back to work later on, and I was so excited that I was finally able to be like, you know, peace. However, my manager just had different plans. So I was super nervous to talk to her at first because I'm just like, oh my gosh, I know how bad she depends on me. Right now, our store is completely understaffed. We're supposed to have 5 managers. Right now, we have 3. And we're supposed to have 30 total people working at our store, management and associates included. And right now, we only have about 10. So I just told her, I was like, hey, and I completely chickened out. Like, I completely chickened out. I was like, you know, I've been telling you I'm trying to get my real estate license. Now I'm trying to move closer to the city, and I just feel like I cannot focus on that while working full-time here. So my parents wanted me to put in my 2 weeks notice, but I just didn't want to leave and put you in the store in that type of position, that type of situation. So I told her, I said, instead of just going ahead and quitting, I don't mind sticking around, so at least you'll be able to do interviews and find somebody. I told her I would give her until the end of this month. So she was like completely shocked. She was like, no, May, I need you to just stick it out until January. Just push through, just stick it out. She was like, did you already start taking your real estate classes? I lied. I said yes. And she was like, well, I'm pretty sure you can get a refund. She was like, I'm pretty sure you can get a refund, or I'm pretty sure, you know, they'll be okay with you pushing back and starting your classes in January. She was like, even if you can't do neither one of those, I'm pretty sure you can handle working here and studying for your classes until January. So this whole conversation just kind of like did not go as planned. She was just really just caring about her in this store, and I was just annoyed because we wouldn't have been in this situation if she took me more seriously, because I gave her warnings. I was like, you know, it's overwhelming, we're understaffed, I'm having to do all this extra stuff that's not even not in my pay, not in my responsibilities, just like doing all this extra stuff. It's just stressful. Yeah. Long story short, basically the initial conversation that I had with her just did not go well. She did not let me quit. She did not let me even step down. I told her I would just step down to part-time as a key holder again, but that wasn't even an option for her. So how are you not gonna let me quit? Like, how are you just not gonna let me leave? After thinking about it and thinking, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and just email her my 2 weeks notice, because I can't do this. I cannot stay here past 2 weeks. Like, I just cannot work with this woman. Ever since I put in my notice, I haven't been as stressed. Like, I used to sleep, dream, breathe, Gap. Literally, I would have dreams about this store. But ever since I put in my 2 weeks notice, I have felt so much better. Honestly, I was gonna use this time frame to be able to really deep dive and focus on my business and myself and my YouTube. Alright, so now that I'm doing my makeup, I kind of want to go out tonight, but most likely I'm gonna just stay home, edit this vlog footage. I'm gonna still call my friends to see if I was gonna call to see what people got going on. My son's probably working. Aussie.
What's that?
You gonna say hi to my vlog?
What's up, y'all? Hey, no, and it's on Twitter, and it was like, tell somebody that this is not. I'm like,
this right here?
it's not hair glue?
It is hair glue.
That's what I'm saying. No, don't do that.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I just want to say really quick, if you are thinking about quitting your 9-to-5, really truly think about it. Think about how life would be without it. Think about, it's just a lot to think about. Don't just quit your 9-to-5 and be like, oh, I'm gonna focus on my business, because honey, it's a different ball game now. It's a different world out there. You really have to like get a good foundation before you just like peace. So like I said, this wasn't really my plan, but it is God's plan. Right now I have 2 jobs and my business, and I'm making more than I ever have before, and I'm super excited. And I just want to thank God for all my blessings. You know, I work really hard, you guys, and I'm just proud of myself. So yeah, that's my little spiel for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip of me trying to get my room situated. Cleaned it up yesterday. It was a completely different way, completely different room. My room is clean, period. But yeah, I did a quick little 2-minute clip of me cleaning my room, so I hope you guys will enjoy that footage. I find it relaxing and therapeutic to clean, and I also like the speed up versions with like soothing music, so that's what I'm about to give y'all right about now. Okay, so yes, that is my room. That was me cleaning my room. Quick little disclaimer, you guys, when I work like how I work, I just be wanting to come home and get in the bed. I just be wanting to get in the bed. So really my room gets messy because, as y'all saw, I had a whole bunch of clothes. I just take off my clothes, put them on the floor, clean clothes this pile, dirty clothes that pile. That's kind of like how I operate. And then trash will get, you know, trash. Right now I have hair all over my floor again because I just cut my hair, so I have hair on my floor right now. Beauty area, you know, girls, y'all already know how that goes. So don't judge me, y'all, don't judge me. I am 21, okay? I understand my mess and my chaos, and I know where to find things when I need them. So that's that. But yeah, my room is clean and, you know, it feels good. I just did my hair and my makeup, so I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling good. And then tonight I'm gonna go through my skincare because I have like one bump here. I feel a bump coming up under my nose. Don't know really what's going on because I rarely ever break out. I think it's just stress. But I'm done rambling. I'm done talking. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I think I said that about 3 times. But give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Shop around my hair collection on the Hair Baby hair and lashes honey, okay? Anyways, I hope to see you guys in my next video, and yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.